and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about tea ceremony utensils. The tea ceremony is a traditional Japanese practice that has been around for centuries. It is a beautiful and calming experience that involves the preparation and serving of tea. The tea ceremony involves a number of utensils, each with its proper purpose. The most important utensil is the tea bowl or chawan. This is where the tea is prepared and served. The tea bowl is often made of ceramic and porcelain and can come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Another important utensil is a tea scoop. It is used to measure the tea leaves and transfer them to the tea bowl. The tea soup is usually made of bamboo and is a beautiful and functional piece of art. The tea is another important utensil. This is used to whisk the tea and create a frothy consistency. The tea whisk is usually made of bamboo and has a unique shape that allows it to whisk the tea equally and efficiently. Other utensils used in the tea ceremony include the tea caddy, which is used to store the tea leaves, and the tea kettle or kama, which is used to heat the water for the tea. When it comes to the tea ceremony, it is important to use the proper utensils and to handle them with care. The utensils should be cleaned and stored properly to ensure their longevity and to maintain their beauty. In conclusion, tea ceremony utensils are an important part of the traditional Japanese tea ceremony. Each utensil has its own purpose and is a beautiful and functional piece of art. If you are interested in the tea ceremony, be sure to invest in high quality utensils and to learn the proper techniques for preparing and serving tea. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.